Tired of juggling leads between Homescom and Lofty like a circus act? Let's streamline your real estate game. First, you'll need a Zapier account if you don't already have one. Head over to Zapier.com and sign up. They offer a free plan that's perfect for getting started. Now, log into your Lofty account. Keep this tab open, as we will come back to it later to ensure the connection has been made. Next, log into your Zapier account. Click the Create Zap button. This is where the magic happens. In the Trigger app search bar, type in Homescom and select it. Choose New Lead as the trigger event. This will start the process once a new lead comes through. Connect your Homescom account to Zapier. You might need your Homescom API key, which you can find in your Homescom account settings. Just follow Zapier's prompts to authorize the connection. Now, in the Action app search bar, type in Lofty and select it. Choose Create Lead as the action event. Connect your Lofty account to Zapier. You'll likely need your Lofty API key as well, also found in your Lofty account settings. This step is crucial. Map the Homescom-led data fields to the corresponding fields in Lofty. For example, map the Homescom lead name field to the Lofty full name field. Do this for email, phone number, and any other relevant information. Once you've mapped all the fields, test your Zap. Zapier will send a test lead to Lofty. Check your Lofty account to make sure the lead information is coming through correctly. If the test is successful, congratulations! Turn your Zap on now. Every new lead from Homescom will automatically be added to your Lofty CRM, saving you time and effort.